Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan shroud, loosen the 2 screws securing the left side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the front cover of the machine to remove it. Find the fan shroud and unlatch it to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the fan shroud, place it back in the system and relatch it. Relatch the front cover to the system and secure the left side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.